What up, Doc?
Jester Cat, look out!
Are you alright?
Oh, I'm okay.
Jester Cat, you can get off me now.
Oh, right.
Ugh, you eat like a pig!
How does a jewelry thief have high-tech sound weapons?
The real question is where she got it from.
We can find that out later. Right now, we need to know what her next target is. That way we can set up a trap for her.
There is a big party tomorrow night, where the most priceless jewelry will be displayed for the richest people in Sparrow City.
The perfect target for our Death Siren.
Death Siren?
Yeah, I thought it would be fun to give names to the bad guys we faced.
I could have come up with something better.
Those idiots damaged my suit. Next time I see them, I'll make them pay.
What are you doing? I told you many times that this project of yours was over.
Oh, Dean, you always disapprove my work. One of the obstacles I have to overcome to reach my goals. And you, Dean, are an obstacle that must be dealt with.
That's it. I'm calling campus security.
You seem stressed. Why don't you listen to some music? You hear that? That's the sound of death, and it will be the last thing you'll ever hear.
Do you guys think she'll be here?
She'll be here. It's the perfect target for her.
Good thing we got a rich kid on our team keeping a lookout for her inside.
Really, guys, the rich kid thing is getting old.
But it's true, rich kid!
These people are really uptight.
I know. Look at that guy. Why does he have that many pockets?
That's why. What are you looking at?
Oh, nothing.
Sarah?
Listen up. Give me all of your valuables and no one gets killed. Where do you think you're going, rich boy?
Party's over, Death Siren.
Ugh, you again. This time I'm going to enjoy hearing you scream.
We got her now.
I hate it when the bad guy gets away!
She's at Sparrow University.
Great. Now we know where she is.
Still need to find a way to take her down with that suit she's wearing.
I've been doing some research, and I found a link between Death Siren and the school. Her name is Molly Claymore. She's a sound engineer and top of her class. One of her projects malfunctioned, death in almost 3 people. After that, the dean pulled her funding and shut down her project.
So explains why she was stealing from jewelry stores. She's trying to finish her project.
Then we better stop her.
All right, stay on guard. She could still be here.
What does this do?
Don't touch anything. We don't know what this stuff does.
Guys, you gotta see this.
Is that the dean?
Death Siren got her payback on the dean.
She's taking this too far.
Not far enough.
You don't have to do this, Molly.
People like you are standing in my way of becoming a success, and no one is going to stop me!
I'll stay here to watch over Renegade Inspector. You two go after her.
There's no way near her without getting shot at.
You know that chest plate on her suit? That's gotta be the power source. Take that out, the sooner we take her.
That might just work.
No!
You alright, Dave?
I'm fine, thanks to you.
You guys alright?
We're okay. Renegade Inspector, how are you feeling?
What? What did you say?
Don't worry, he'll be fine. His hearing will come back in a little while.
What?
Now that we took care of Death Siren, who wants to go out for some pizza?
Yes.
Sounds good to me. What? That was funny.